Okay, so in this video lecture, I'm going to show you how to install Python, right? Python shell. So just go to the python.org, right? And then if you go to the python.org, right? So the python.org, right? So you'll see this website, and then just click download, right? And download for Windows, but basically you can, I mean, that's like one way you can download, or like active Python release 3.11, right? Okay, so yeah, so just click download, right? Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of files, right? Since I'm using the Windows 64 bits window installer, I think this is for the Mac, for Mac OS, right? So people who are using the Mac, yes, please, you should probably download this. And since I'm using the Windows, I'm going to download Windows installer 64 bits, right? And then just run install now, right? And then I have to say okay, so the setup is successful, and I'm gonna just close, right? Okay, so that's like installation is very easy, right, and simple. So if you're a Windows user, you can just go to, yes, I mean, once the installation is done, I think you can run the Python shell, right? So let's see, for me, Python, okay. So just go to your window menu, and then in the search you can look at the Python, right? So basically, hold on, let's see, I need to find the Python. Oops, hold on, Python. Well, I don't like the Windows 11. Okay, Python idle, right? So you have to click the Python idle. Okay, so once you click the Python in idle, right? So this is like a Python shell. Okay, so you can say one, for example, one plus one is equal to 2, right? And then you can say print and what, hi, right? Okay, so you can print hi, but this is not the way you typically write your code. Typically, what, you go to the file, right, and then click new file, right, and then this window, you will get this window, right? So this is the editor, and so you will say the print, say hi, oops, hi, and then in next line you said print welcome, right, for example. Okay, so you have to save it, right? So what you have before you run this code, you have to save it, right? But you know what, if you just click run this module, right, and it'll ask you to source must be saved. Okay, to save, yes. So then you save your file, right? Hold on, for me it's documents, Python, and I'll say this is what, test 4, right? And the Python file. Okay, so once you click it, and then you see the result, right? So yes, so if you can successfully execute this test4.py file, right, this Python file, yes, then your installation is successful. Okay, so thank you.